But you know what? I was so madly in love with him. Like, as a friend.
So for this hairstyle, you'll need 2 packs of Cuban twist hair, some SHEIN jam, and some Murray's Edge wax to make sure it's secure. So what you want to do is split your part into 2 pieces. Try and make it as even as possible if you can. And then take one section and clip it up so they're away from each other. Split that section in half. With the bottom section, you want to take it, add some SHEIN jam on there. And then braid that section like a regular braid. I'm going to take a piece of the Cuban twist hair, split it into 3 sections. You'll take one of those sections and put it into the braid that you made with the crochet needle. Pull the hair through and make sure that it's secure. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Split it in half. Add SHEIN jam to that section. Braid the bottom section. Crochet here into the braid. For the pieces by the edge, it's kind of hard to keep it secure, for me at least, because I know around my edges it's a little thin. But try your best to keep it as secure as possible. And then you're going to take the 2 sections from off the clips. Make sure to keep them separated. Add some of the Murray's Edge wax to the sections. And twist them. Try and twist it as tight as possible, but not too tight to the point where it's pulling, but tight enough to where it's secure. And I'm just trying to keep my sideburns out. After you're done twisting the section, you want to take a clip to make sure that it stays twisted. And then you're going to take the other piece and twist it in the opposite direction. Take the other piece and twist it as well. And then you're going to put one on top of the other and twist it. When you twist, you want to make sure that you turn it and then add in hair so that it's thick enough for you, or add in hair to your liking. Make sure you twist it, that's what keeps it secure. Flip the twist upwards, and I wrap the ends of the twist back around the twist itself. And then you'll take a rubber band to secure the ends to make sure that the hair doesn't unravel. So this is the final product. I have it in a little style. I'll insert a clip of how it looks down without a style. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.